Hello guys, this is YouTube. You're watching Productionary, so without wasting any precious time, let's get into it. Of course, this is a new channel and I'm here to help people get what they're searching for. This channel is not only about products, but I even post cool facts which may update your knowledge. So let's get started. How many of you want to purchase a TV but you're not sure about the reviews? Are they good? Are they stable? Or are they lying about their qualities? Or is the brand fake? Well, you need not worry about this because Productionary promotes fair sales only. And we give true information so people are aware and not only purchase the products but invest in the right one. So on number 5 we have the Micromax HD LED TV, which is black and it's a 2019 model. The price of this TV is around 8,500. So as you know, the rate in the market changes every week or every month. I'm talking about the Amazon market. And I don't guarantee that the price might remain the same. So the screen is about 81 centimeters, which is about 32 inches. It has 2 HDMI ports to connect the set-top box or your laptop. So talking about the sound, it has 24 watts output. And talking about the display, it has IPS LED panel, extra brightness and 178 degrees wide view angle. Talking about the warranty, it has a 1-year warranty provided by the manufacturer from the date of purchase by Micromax. Moving on to number 4, we have iMe HD Smart LED TV, which is black and is a 2019 model. The price of this TV lies around 8,700 to 9,000 rupees. The screen is about 60 centimeters, which is 24 inches. The resolution is HD 1366 multiplied by 768p. The refresh rate is 60 Hz. Talking about the connections, it has 2 HDMI ports to connect your set-top box, Blu-ray players, gaming consoles, 2 USB ports to connect your hard drives. And talking about the sound, it has 20 watt speakers, SRS Studio sound, digital noise reduction, and graphic equalizer so you can customize your own sound. Talking about the display, it has A+ grade LED panel, wide color enhancement, eye care technology, narrow bezel and slim design. Some of the smart features this TV has is built-in Wi-Fi, Android OS, screen mirroring and PC connectivity. Now, what is screen mirroring? Screen mirroring is when your phone is connected to the TV via hotspot and your screen of the phone gets casted onto the TV. That is called screen mirroring. Talking about the warranty, it has a 1-year standard manufacturer warranty from iMe themselves. Moving on to number 3. Now as we move on top, you will notice that the prices are getting higher and higher. But I guarantee all this video won't go above 11,000 rupees. Keeping in mind, a good investment can have you what always you've been looking for. So let's go ahead. So on number 3 we have the TCL HD LED TV, which is black and it's a 2018 model. The price of this TV lies around 9,260 to 10,000 rupees. The screen is about 79.96 centimeters, which is 32 inches. The resolution is HD, same as the iMe LED TV, 1366 multiplied by 768p, which is an HD resolution. The refresh rate is 60 Hz. The best thing about this TV is that it has 3 HDMI ports to connect set-top box, Blu-ray players, gaming consoles, 2 USB ports to connect your hard drives and pen drives, 1 VGA slot to connect your laptop also. So talking about the sound, it has 20 watts output. And talking about the warranty, it has 3 years standard manufacturer warranty from TCL themselves. Here, standing on number 2 on our list, we have the Cloudwalker Smart LED TV, which is black and it's a 2019 model. The screen is about 80 centimeters, which is about 32 inches. The resolutions of this TV is 1366 multiplied by 768p, which is HD. Refresh rate 60 Hz and viewing angle is 178 degrees. Talking about the connections, we have 2 HDMI ports to connect your set-top box, Blu-ray players, gaming consoles, 2 USB ports to connect your hard drive and other USB devices such as your pen drives. Talking about the sound, it has 20 watts output and inbuilt box speakers. The smart features of this LED TVs are Android 8.0 OS, content discovery engines with thousands of hours of trending global content, downloads and plays compatible Android apps. It has quad-core ARM Cortex processor, it has 1GB RAM, 8GB ROM, and it also has a built-in Wi-Fi. Talking about the display, it has A+ grade panel with 16.7 million colors and digital noise reduction. Talking about the warranty, it has 1 year warranty, but if you want to get a warranty, you have to purchase it for 400 rupees with just a click. Now finally we are on number 1, and on number 1 we have T series Smart LED TV, which is black and it's a 2019 model. The price of this TV lies around 10,990 to 11,000 rupees. The screen is about 80 centimeters, which is 32 inches. The resolution is 1366 multiplied by 768, which is an HD resolution. The refresh rate is 60 Hz. It has one AV input slot, one AV output slot, one RF slot. Talking about the connectivities, it has 3 HDMI ports to connect a set-top box, Blu-ray players, gaming consoles, 2 USB ports to connect hard drives and other USB drives, 1 VGA slot to connect your laptop. Talking about the sound, it has 16 watts output. And talking about the warranty, it has 1 year standard manufacturer warranty from T series themselves. So guys, this TV is not placed according to their quality, but it's arranged according to their price. So it's the decision of your own which one would you like to invest in. So do like my video if you found it informative, and if you did, do subscribe my channel so I can bring more informative content for you. Thank you and have a nice day.